Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 5 of Strategic Management. Hope everyone's having a great week and enjoying the class so far. Definitely enjoyed having you guys in this class so far. It's one of those things where I definitely want to talk about vertical strategies, integration, and diversification this week. And it's one of those things where maybe we want to integrate other things within our umbrella, or maybe want to go diversify related or unrelated diversification. So when you're thinking about kind of related diversification, maybe it's one of those things where you want to definitely come in and take part in something that's related to your business. So, for example, if you're a computer company and you're building computers, maybe you want to go in there and take over or maybe integrate into your company somebody that makes chips or maybe some other kind of things that really help out your government in your process to make things cost even less than it does currently. Now, on the other side of things, we have unrelated diversification, which is one of those things where you can definitely think about things that are totally unrelated. So when we're talking about that, maybe one of those like things like Procter and Gamble, where they definitely are within 5 or 6 billion other things, or maybe you want to think about Coca-Cola and all the things that they're located in as well. So maybe one of those things where you want to definitely think about just different business strategies and stuff of that nature. This week, we're going to kind of try to talk about some of those things and really try to discuss those and have an assignment as well on those. If you have any questions about anything in this class or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.